Two settings that I normally put in place once I get a new laptop that run on Windows 11. These settings help my laptop to run very fast. That is why you need to watch this video to the end, so that go and turn on these settings or put these two settings in place so that your Windows PC will run very fast. First, make sure you access the settings button. You can combine Windows plus I key. It brings to this interface. Then tap or click on System. Now scroll down to the base of this page until you have access to About. Click on it. Once you click on About, you have yourself at this place. Go and click on Advanced System Settings. Once you click on it, it brings to this interface. Now make sure you are under Advanced, then click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you have yourself at this place. Visual Effects. Then select the settings you want to use for the appearance and performance of Windows on this computer. Take note of performance on the Windows on this computer. Now just go ahead and click on Custom. Once you click on Custom, you want to take some action here. Animated control, disable it or you uncheck it. Animated windows when minimizing, uncheck it. Animation in taskbar, uncheck it. End enable pick, uncheck it. Fade or slide menu, uncheck it. Fade or slide, uncheck this one. Then fade out menu, uncheck it. Now come to shadow under window, uncheck it. Then this thumbnail, show thumbnail instead of icon, leave that one, is very powerful. Show translucent, uncheck it. Then show window content while, uncheck it. Then slide open, uncheck it. Then smooth edges, leave that one. Then smooth scroll list, uncheck it. Then use drop shadow for icon label on the desktop. Now leave that one. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. Then come back and click on OK. Then you are done with this one. The second setting is very simple as well. Now access the setting option by clicking on this place. Right click on it. Then click on the settings button here. It brings you back to this interface. This time around, go ahead and click on personalization. Now here, locate and click on colors. Now here you see transparency effect. Window and on surface appear translucent. Make sure that this button is turned off. Tap on it and turn it off. If you tap on it and turn it off, you're going to see some effect that takes place under the taskbar here, where you can see my mouse. Turn it off, you see that has been taken away. Guys, with these two settings, your Windows 11 computer is going to run very fast each time you take action or you operate your computer. So that's all, guys. Just let me know in the comment section if you're able to do so and if it has impacted or improved your system performance in a while. See you soon, guys, on my next video.